Malolele Freshies.
I'm Gabs.
I'm Leki.
And welcome to the Ask Gabs
Leki
and
and
Leki
Gabs
segment. This is my segment.
This is
you
my
just got
segment.
here.
You're
not
recall.
even wearing an ear.
You look like that girl.
Welcome to the
Toronto.
Ask Gabs and Leki segment.
So, what is the Ask Leki and Gabs show?
That is a great question. The Ask Gabs and Leki segment is all about you sending in your questions and we attempt to answer them.
That's right. And all views expressed in today's show are our own personal views, so take it or leave it.
Yes. And today we will be breaking down the topic of personal maintenance.
Like, what is the difference between low maintenance and high maintenance?
Low standards, high standards.
Low bun, no good.
So today we will be answering your questions about personal maintenance.
But first, let's laugh at Gabby tried to do the ma'ululu.
Polyfest police over here. All right, Leki, our first question for today is, what is the definition of high maintenance?
High maintenance is when you do things that are like certain things particular to you that might be an inconvenience to someone else, but it's
Oh, you're good at that.
You're trying to make
You're
trying to
really
maintain
good at that.
I'm really good at that too.
You're
high
really good at
maintenance.
being an inconvenience.
It's like when you're inconvenienced to someone, like say if you have a particular routine or something you have to do that's like particular to you, but you do it on repeat and it's something that's out of the way for someone else.
Can you give us an example of something that others would consider high maintenance, but it's just your personal preference?
Something high maintenance for me, I can't drink tap water.
What? Oh my God! Wow!
I only drink sparkling water, and there's a certain brand of sparkling water. You know what brand of sparkling water I'm drinking?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a really bougie one.
Who is the most high maintenance and low maintenance person you know?
You're pretty high maintenance, and I know you.
But in a good way.
In an inconvenient way.
I just got high standards, like you said before.
Okay, what's the difference between high standards and high maintenance?
High standards is holding something to account and being like doing something to a certain standard, but not intentionally inconveniencing someone else.
I don't know about low maintenance, but I'll tell you about high maintenance is my nana. My nana is the most high maintenance person that I know. You have to go to a specific shop. You have to have things very specific to keep that lady happy. Even if it means driving all around Auckland, all around New Zealand, when you have woken up from 4 o'clock in the morning, she does not care. You better get done.
But she earned her stripes. Like she did her duty for her to get to that, right? Like for her to be that high maintenance.
Yeah, she's earned her passenger stripes.
Whereas other people, like some people we know, like haven't earned that right of passage.
That entitlement.
Yeah, that entitlement, but still like want the same kind of respect and treat.
Yeah, are you talking about
No, I'm
someone
just saying in
specific?
general.
Are you exposing our friends?
Yeah.
I think a lot of people in the islands are really low maintenance.
Yes.
That's why I love, for me personally, being New Zealand born, going to the islands, because I'm always humbled. I'm like, people here have nothing, yet they're so giving and so happy. And us here in New Zealand complaining about, we don't have the latest phone.
Because I remember this one time I went to the islands and I drank half a coconut and then I chucked it in the bush and then my cousins all went, and I was like, are you guys acting like there's like not a million coconuts on the island? But see, it was a difference of perspective. I was like a teenager, I didn't know that was rude and I didn't know that they wanted a drink as well. And I was like, oh, just go get another one. But see, mentality.
Yeah, like there's heaps like us, we think there's plenty.
That's all we have time for today. Thank you for joining us here on the show.
Don't forget to check out the Fresh TV IG page where you can send in your questions and come back next week on the Ask Gabs and I'll have a new host segment show.
Thank you for coming to the Ask Leki and Gabs show. Sorry
So
about
far,
Gabby's
so far,
dancing today.
Ask Gabs and
she's very low maintenance with the dance, but that's okay. Yeah, that's great. Stuff to work on there, guys. Work in progress.
This is his first time, so he's making the most of it.
Nice, Gabby. We'll see you next season with the same nails and same mannequin next to you. That's how Gabby dances. Like, let's go over here. Nice. Nice, Gabby. Love your work.
Do you feel better about yourself?
Do you feel better? Do you feel awesome? That's great.